Your car is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's an investment. But here's the truth. How long your car lasts is completely up to how well you take care of it. In this video, I'll share 5 simple but powerful tips that will keep your car running smoothly for 10 years or more and save you thousands of dollars in repairs along the way. Let's get started. First up, the lifeblood of your car oil. Fresh engine oil keeps your engine lubricated, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. Skipping oil changes can cause serious engine damage over time. The golden rule? Change your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as recommended by your manufacturer. And don't forget the oil filter. It traps dirt and keeps your engine clean. Pro tip: always use the grade of oil recommended in your owner's manual. It makes a huge difference in performance and longevity. Let's talk tires. Proper tire maintenance isn't just about safety. It also extends the life of your suspension and improves gas mileage. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. Underinflated tires wear out faster and make your car work harder. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Not sure when to rotate? Many shops will do it for free during oil changes. Just ask. This one might surprise you. Keeping your car clean actually makes it last longer. Dirt, road salt, and even bird droppings can eat away at your paint and metal, causing rust and corrosion. Wash your car every 2 weeks, especially if you drive in wet or salty conditions. Add a good wax every 3 months to protect your paint. And don't forget the inside. Vacuuming and cleaning your interior prevents wear and keeps your car feeling newer for longer. Your car is more than just engine oil. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid all play critical roles in keeping your car healthy. Low or dirty fluids can lead to expensive problems, like a failed transmission or overheated engine. Make it a habit to check fluid levels once a month. If you're not sure where to start, check your owner's manual or ask a mechanic to show you during your next service. Once you see how simple it is, you'll never skip it again. Finally, listen to your car. Those dashboard lights and weird noises aren't just suggestions. They're your car asking for help. A small issue like a squeaky belt or a blinking check engine light might cost $50 to fix now, but can turn into a $1,000 repair if ignored. If something feels, sounds, or smells off, get it checked. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. And there you have it. 5 simple car care tips that can keep your car running like new for a decade or more. Which of these tips are you already doing? And which one do you plan to start today? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more smart car tips from Smart Car Living. Thanks for watching.